Alright, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at TUDIA's MergeGrip case for the Google Pixel Fold. Now looking at the packaging here, it absolutely looks fantastic. Very typical TUDIA case here. I like the blue and the white together. Uniquely designed protective case for the Google Pixel Fold. You got an image of an outline of the MergeGrip case, but a couple of features here on the back. It is a dual layer, very clicky buttons, military grade drop protected, and you do get a 12-month warranty with the case. So this is available in, I think, 3 other colors. The one we have here, it is the matte black one. You do get a blue, pink, and a green lily color, I think. But let's go ahead and see what we are presented with. The grip case here, you do have the drop protection here on the bottom. Like they said, it is a dual layer case, so this does come, you do have, it comes apart like that, and you got that hard plastic shell on the outside and soft rubbery TPU on the inside for shock absorption. And you have the cover display portion, and that is it. Now, one thing that I do like to see around this one doesn't have any adhesive strips or anything like that, and it does not have a hinge cover. So without further ado, let's go ahead and grab the Google Pixel Fold. Let's go ahead and start with the cover display. Now this is a nice sounding clip, very satisfying snap in place. Let's go ahead and get the bottom one. Very nice snap in place. Very nice case. Very slim profile, does not add too much bulk to your device. Does not have the hinge cover there, which will allow for it to lay flat when unfolded. But let's take a look at the case here real quick while folded. You do have cover buttons there for the volume rocker, and they're nice and tactile, very responsive, very clicky as I mentioned. The power button is exposed because it does as your fingerprint reader, and it works just fine. As you can see, boom, no issues with it at all. Boom, cutout's nice, very nice. On top of the device, we do have a speaker and mic. Cutouts are nice and precise, no issues with the cutouts. The hinge is uncovered. You do have mic cutouts there for your speaker and mic, also at the bottom of the device with the charging port cut out there. Plenty of room there for a third-party charging cable if you absolutely want to do that. You do got this nice texture grippy pattern on the back of the case with TUDIA branding there at the lower bottom portion of the case. You do have protection there around the camera lens, so you are protected if you lay your device on its back on a flat surface. You are not gonna scratch up that Google Pixel camera lenses, and it does mitigate the wobble shaky so that it does not rock when it placed on its back. And you do have the exact same amount of lip protection there around the cover display there for the Google Pixel Fold. So you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, or if you lay it down to watch Netflix and YouTube like this on laptop mode. You're not going to scratch up your cover display, which I absolutely love. So now let's unfold this device, and I believe this device folds flat, just about flat when you lay it on a flat surface. Usually if you have a hinge cover, it does not lay flat because of the hinge cover, and it kind of rocks a lot. This one's not gonna rock. If you sits just flat, just fine. And the case does come to the edge of the inner display. Obviously it's not gonna have a lip to protect it because it's gonna make the case not fold, and you're not gonna be placing your Pixel Fold face down like that. I do not recommend that at all. Now, does this wirelessly charge through the case? And it absolutely charges just fine. If you have any questions regarding this beautiful MergeGrip case from TUDIA, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.